Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Huzaifa Rashid. My course name is Summer Vegetables. Today our teacher from Horticulture Department, Dr. Tarmeen Hussain, gave us a task to make a video on vegetables, their irrigation, harvesting and packaging of vegetables. So first of all, I will tell you what is irrigation. So as we know that water is essential for our body. Our body contains 90% of water, but still we depend upon outside sources to fulfill requirement of our body. So same in the case of crops, they also need water for fulfill their needs for their growth and their development. Different types are used Different methods are used for cropping yield. These systems are practiced by different type of soil and different types of crops. So I will discuss the mostly usable methods of irrigation. So first of all, surface irrigation. In this system, no irrigation pump is involved. Here just water is distributed across the land by gravity. The second most important method is sprinkler irrigation. Water is distributed from central location by overhead high pressure sprinklers or from sprinklers from the moving platform. The next method is drip irrigation. In this type, drops of water are delivered near the roots of the plants. This type of irrigation is rarely used as it requires more maintenance. Its benefit is water reaches directly to plant root zone. It allows slow delivery drops absorbed by plants at one time, which reduces runoff and evaporation. And another benefit is of drip irrigation is leafy vegetables not burnt, like low growing crops such as lettuce, bell peppers, beans and squash. The next method is localized irrigation. In this system, water is applied to each plant through a network of pipes under low temperature. So the importance of irrigation is irrigation helps to increase productivity even in low rainfall. It increases availability of water supply, which turn increases in the income of farmer. So now we talk about harvesting of vegetables. So the best time for harvesting is in the morning. If you want to picking salads and other vegetables, the best picking time is 9 a.m. when the sun is just clearing. And at the word stage, you should pick the vegetable. When you are picking the vegetable, pay attention to the surface and make sure it consistent, it evenly colored and firm all around. Like other vegetables like cucumber, peppers, onion, you want them as firm as possible at the stage of harvesting. And the third point is packaging of vegetables. The packaging requirements of fresh fruits and vegetables is done when the most important step is done in a good way. The journey of vegetables from growers to consumer. This is done through proper packaging. So different types of packaging are used for vegetables like bags, crates, hampers, baskets, etc. The packaging must protect the produce from mechanical damage and poor environmental conditions.